Hey, what's up? Sam here. So today we're gonna unbox the Poco F3. The rumor said it's gonna be the K40. Is the rumors true? I don't know. Let's just unbox it. So yeah, again, I borrowed this from my friend Simi, and she did a really detailed one about it. You can check it out from the link in the description or on the screen. So the first layer, without surprise, is some paperwork, detailed manual, 3.5 to Type-C adapter, and some stickers. Woohoo! You want some stickers? A transparent phone case. Okay, let's just put it aside. Then we see the phone itself, Poco F3. So on the stickers we see some highlights. Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 with 5G, 120 Hz, 6.6 7-inch AMOLED display, ultra tiny dot display, Dolby Atom, Dolby what? Dual speakers, Dolby Atoms dual speakers, X-axis linear motor, and the camera is 48 megapixel triple camera. Yeah. So what else we got? We have the charger. The maximum output is 33. So it's 33 watt fast charging, and of course Type-C cable. All right, that's the phone. So yeah, it's exactly the international version K40, just with different brand. You know, this Poco, but that one is K40, and it has triple camera. The main camera is 40 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and 5 megapixel micro. So we got power key here and the volume key. Front camera is 20 megapixel. Nothing on this side. You can see a Type-C, SIM card slot, dual speaker, one here and one here. Also we have the infrared blaster inside here. Yes, that's basically the design. So let's just turn now. Let's check more specs. So about the phone, it supports the MIUI version 12.0.1 stable. Device name Poco F3. Storage, what we got is 256 gigs. We can see all specs here. RAM is 8 gigs. CPU is octa-core max 3.2 gigahertz. Yeah, so basically it's just the international version of the K40, and we have done some videos about it. You can check it out from the link in the description. What else? Let's check the camera. My friend Simi has already taken some videos.
This is the self camera, and all the three colors are totally different. You can see here in the city I live, they have a lot of flowers now. They are preparing these streets to have some kind of spring festival. They put a lot of flowers, sculptures, a lot of small shops. They are selling foods and drinks.
The water is not bad, right? So let's check more other photos. Seems really sharp, the photos. You see, really sharp and clean. While even zoom in for that big, you can still see very clearly, not too grainy or something. That's good. You know, the weather is not really good. It's cloudy day, and that's the portrait mode. We can see, yeah, it's really nice one. You can see the amazing bokeh effect. You can see the edge. Same as here. It's really clear. That's a good camera. More photos. Optical zoom. Wow. This. This is micro, I guess, right? Seems really nice. If you want to see more photos, I will ask Simi to send it to me so you can see the original ones. So video, it supports up to 4K 30 FPS. It supports 720p 30 FPS, 1080p 30 and 60 FPS. Portrait mode, let's take one. Looks like an idiot. Well, I delete it. Okay, what else? Yeah, that's basically what the camera has got. So alright, that's a phone. That's basically the Poco F3 has all got. It's just basically the international version of the K40, Redmi K40. So yeah, we've done some videos about that. You can check out more from the link in the description. Also, please don't forget to subscribe. I'm Sammy and we'll see you in the next one.